iFixit was the first to discover that Apple's quieter and redesigned MacBook Pro keyboards featured a membrane underneath the keys, confirming that it would help block unwanted dust and dirt that would damage the delicate mechanism. Now, after a more exhaustive disassembly and testing, he has confirmed that the new membrane succeeds in doing so. When testing the keyboard, iFixit pumped the device with a fine powder paint additive to see if the new membranes were simply added to reduce noise or if they would actually block dust. The new membrane seems to be quite effective in keeping paint dust away from the central part of the mechanism. iFixit notes that in a similar test, the old keyboard without a membrane fared much worse. That said, the new keyboard still did not protect against higher grain particles, such as sand, so you probably do not want to bring your new $6,700 MacBook Pro to the beach in the short term. Part of the reason why the new keyboard works so well to block dust is that, as the latest iFixit research has discovered, the membrane is actually a solid sheet of silicone with cutouts for individual keys, which makes it much more difficult to penetrate the dust. The disassembly also revealed that the keys are thinner than the previous model, so they are easier to remove in case you need to clear the dust from under the keys, especially the spacebar, which was almost impossible to remove without destroying it on the old model.